Welcome back to BetterAvecBourbon. Today, with Jamaican Independence and Toronto's Caribana around the corner, we've got 2 Jamaican Rum Punch recipes. One that follows the classic template, 1 part sour, 2 parts sweet, 3 parts strong, 4 parts weak, and my take on it. On top of ingredients, you'll also want punch glasses and some fun elements for garnish. I've chosen pineapple fronds, orange slices, and cocktail cherries, but pineapple chunks, cocktail umbrellas, and nutmeg are also viable options. For the classic rum punch ingredients, you'll want a thick strawberry or cherry syrup like Grace, but bright red faux grenadine would also work. Wray Nephew Overproof. If it doesn't have Wray, it's not real. Fresh lime juice. Might want to start juicing now. Pineapple juice. Fresh would be great, but something like Del Monte works just fine, but I might judge you if it's canned. Angostura bitters for extra spice, and pimento berries. More crucial if you're allowing your punch to sit in the fridge for a couple hours before serving, but something to consider. For my recipe, instead of pimento berries, we have pimento or allspice dram. It adds some spice while adding a bit of proof. Torani cherry lime syrup, which is likely the largest change. It's a bit thinner, but it's also a bit brighter than Grace. Grace is a bit thicker, a bit medicinal, and a deeper red. Whereas Torani is a little bit thinner, brighter, and resembles more of a hot rod red. And for a bit more complexity, I'll be splitting the rum base between Wray and Nephew and Appleton Signature to add some barrel notes and stone fruit flavors. Once you've got your freshly squeezed lime juice and some fancy garnish, gather all of your ingredients and let's get to it. Starting off, grab your bar mat and your pitcher or preferred punch glass. For the traditional recipe, add 1 pimento berry, 1 dash of angostura, ½ ounce of lime juice, 1 ounce of Grace strawberry syrup or your faux grenadine, one and a half ounces of Wray Nephew, two ounces of pineapple juice, ½ ounce of water or just add more ice, stir it well, fill with ice, and then prepare your garnishes. 1 or several pineapple fronds, an orange slice, and some cocktail cherries to match the artificial red of the drink. Add a straw or not, and there you have a more traditional Jamaican rum punch. Now let's move it to the side and make my variation. 2 dashes of angostura bitters, ¼ ounce of pimento or allspice dram, ½ ounce of freshly squeezed lime juice, one ounce of your cherry syrup, 3/4 of an ounce of Wray Nephew, three-quarters of an ounce of Appleton, two ounces of pineapple juice, stir, fill with ice, and garnish. Fronds, orange slice with cherries, maybe an additional cube or two to make sure it hits the full line, and your optional straw. And there you have my Jamaican Rum Punch. Now let's bring back the Grace version for a taste comparison. Starting with Grace. Strawberry syrup coats the mouth, but Wray Nephew is quite prominent. Some pineapple comes through with a bit of tartness on the finish, with a bit of the baking spice. It's quite medicinal, but it's sweet, rum-forward, and vibrant red. Now for mine. Cherried lime comes through, a bit of an underripened banana from the Wray Nephew mixes with the sweet banana, apricot, and toffee notes of the Appleton, followed by pineapple, and then complex baking spice on the finish. I definitely think mine is better balanced while still being true to the essence of the original, but you've got to really like rum to want a Jamaican rum punch. My wife unfortunately can smell the Wray Nephew before I've opened the bottle. Thanks everyone for watching. What's your preferred rum punch recipe? Let me know down below. If you enjoyed this video and you want to see more like it, hit that like button, press subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Cheers.